All right, everybody, congratulations to me. I want to show you my new wife.
Nigerian actor Saidi recently stirred up excitement among his fans by posting a photo on social media introducing a woman as his new wife. In the post, he wrote, "Meet the person behind my smiles. My new wife at model_Mifi. Is she not beautiful?
My beautiful angel. I don't care what you think. Well, I don't care. I know what you're thinking right there. My beautiful wife, my new wife. People have been asking me, we've heard about this, blah, blah. I said, I have a new wife. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm happy to announce to you my new angel. That's my darling. Why not the fear? Why not the fear? I want to ask you that. My darling, can I have chop your thing, Jerry? Oh, so this is lovely.
However, it was later revealed that this announcement was just a joke. Saidi was actually on set with model Mifi, and the post was a playful moment from their shoot. Fans who initially took the post seriously can now breathe a sigh of relief, as it turns out the actor was simply having some fun.